Hi, this is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2015 Leisure Travel Unity 24iB. That's the island bed version. It is on the Mercedes 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine, 188 horsepower, with a lot of torque behind it as well. You got the built-in steps right here. Very handy. A little pocket storage right there, right in front. This has that full body paint and the frameless windows. So it opens up like a canopy. You can open this window up during the rainy season. You won't get water going in. You have power awning on top there. The legs are tucked inside, and you can mount the legs here or stake it to the ground. Either way. Right over here, you'll have some additional storage. Outside 110, if you want to plug a radio or TV up on the outside. And this unit comes with a 3,600 watt propane generator. Again, more storage. But the amazing storage on this unit here is this pass-through storage. We'll close that up. Back here, this one was ordered with or came with the steps that goes all the way up to the top. It's a walkable roof. You can clean off debris if you wanted to while you maintain it. Tow hitch right here, rated for 5,000 pounds with your 7-way plug. And this is a one-piece rear cap. Up on top, you'll have the backup camera and rear view camera as well. Let's see the other side of the storage here. The pass-through storage. I'll take this down. That's the other side of the storage. And the utility area is right here below us. Propane, water intake, valves, the macerator button. This unit here comes with the macerator, so you can actually pump uphill when you're done. Outside water shower there. Very easy access to it. Your 30 amp connection, 6-gallon hot water tank, DSI, so it's propane and electric. Underneath is storage. And again, more storage. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what this unit has to offer, okay? So we are inside of the 2015 Leisure Travel Unity 24iB, the island bed version. In front here, you're going to have that Sprinter chassis cab area, lots of leg room. Both seats do pivot around. And then you have the opposing seats here for dining. There's 2 seat belts, one on each. You set up a table right here for your dining purposes. Or at nighttime, if you have somebody over, this converts into a single bed. Over top, you'll have your entertainment center right there. Additional storage. Leisure Travel does a great job with providing a lot of storage throughout this 25-foot unit. More storage there. If we head over here, it has the controllers. Your solar charger controller. There's 2 solar panels on top. Electric stabilizer, which is right in the middle between the wheels. Your tank monitors are right here. It'll give you the indication. 1,000 watt inverter and your generator start and stop buttons right here. This unit only has 25 hours on the generator. Coming along this way, you have the microwave convection oven, so you can bake in this as well. 2-door refrigerator. It is a 3-way fridge freezer, so you can utilize your 12-volt propane or electric power, so it finds the most efficient source of power for you. Come along this way. This has the split bath, toilet and sink on one side, and then you have your shower on this side. Notice that it has the self-squeegeeing shower curtain. But as I step inside, I still have a lot of room. The skylight gives me a lot of headroom. Over here you'll have the TV angled towards the bed. Wardrobe space on each side, his and hers. Then more overcab storage as well. Reading lights for everybody. And notice that it is the walk-around bed. Convenient. This unit does not have a slide, so you don't have to deal with that mechanical situation. But great short unit with a walk-around bed. There's some additional storage underneath. Here. And notice there's no carpet on this unit either, so you can sweep dirt and debris away. Over here we'll have the nice coin countertop with 2 burners. It's flush mounted, so that way it gives you more prep space. Kitchen extension there. The sink is one big bowl sink. Notice the nice finishes on this. It's a radius finish. Leisure Travel gives you that quality. Residential hinges and drawers as well. And then this unit also comes with a garbage can that's hidden away. Spice racks right up here. Okay. You got LED lights throughout, and then the front TV is right here. You got skylight on top, fantastic fan on top as well. AC is mounted on the roof. The AC has a heat pump, so you have dual heat sources from the furnace and from the heat pump. So give me a call here. My name is Sot. My number is 253-286-0833, extension 310. If you have further questions. Thank you so much.